Alright, reducing rational expressions to lowest terms. Let's take a look at a similar problem. We have 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. And that's going to be all over 4x squared minus 9. Alright, so we want to factor the numerator, factor the denominator, and then cancel out terms. So let's look at this now. Under the section of factoring polynomials, and this actually is a trinomial, it's got 3 terms in it up here in the numerator. I worked quite a few of these problems in that section if you wanted to look at that. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start out with something like this. Alright, we're looking for numbers. Let's see, here's our possibilities. We can use 1 and a 6, or 1 times 6 I should say, to get 6 here, or 2 times 3. And then for this term here, it's either going to be, well, I guess it's just going to be a 1 and a 3. That's about all we have, which is good. And in other words, I can put a 1 here and a 6 here, or a 2 here and a 3 here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put a 2x and then a 3x. Okay, that's coming from these numbers here. Alright. And when we multiply these two numbers together, it's got to be negative 3. And so let's see if I can get lucky on this. And I'm going to say this is a 3 and a 1. Alright, that's coming from this here. Now we got to get our signs right. Okay, so 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x, and then we have a 9x here because this would be 3 times 3x. And 2 and then 9, so we got to think about this. We want to get a 7 here, so this is going to need to be a plus, and then this is going to be a minus. Okay, so right, so think about this when we multiply this out. We have 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2, and then 3 times 3x is 9x. But we need to get a 7, so 9 minus 2 is 7, alright, without working this thing completely out. So there you go, I got lucky because we got quite a few combinations over here to work with. And then in the denominator here, this can actually be rewritten as 2x squared minus 3 squared, because 2x squared is 4x squared, and then minus 3x squared. Well, this is a binomial, and it's the difference of two squares. And we can actually factor that as 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. And if you haven't seen that before, you need to go into the binomial section, factoring binomials. Alright, so now what we can do is we can cancel some stuff out. We have a 2x plus 3 in the numerator and a 2x plus 3 in the denominator, so we can cancel that out, and we're going to be left with a 3x minus 1 over 2x minus 3, and that's as far as we can go in reducing this down right here. Okay.